Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 76. EONJE. EONJE. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is on, second syllable is je. Pronounce it with me. EONJE. EONJE. Again, our word for today is EONJE, and this is used to ask when. Again, it's EONJE, and this is used to ask about date or time. So this is used to ask when. How do we write EONJE in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable on, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder iyang, followed by an all character, followed by a neon character. And then for the second syllable je, we need to draw first a jiet character, followed by an e character. Again, the on syllable is the combination of an iyang, o, and neon character, and je is the combination of a jiet and e character. So in order to form the Hangul for EONJE, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables. And that's how you write EONJE in Hangul. And with that, you've just learned EONJE. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 66 to 75. But don't forget our word for today, EONJE. This is used to ask when. The first word for our review is word number 75, nuna. This is used to say sister, and this is used by a younger brother. Next word is onni. This is another term for sister, and this is used by a younger sister. Next word is hyung. This is a term for brother, and this is used by a younger brother. Next word is oppa. This is another term for brother, but this is used by a younger sister. Next word is omoni, and this is a Korean term for mother. Next word is aboji, and this is the Korean term for father. Next word is na중에. This is an adverb of time which means later. Next word is 걷다. This is a verb which means to walk. Next word is Araso. This is an informal way of saying, alright, I understand. And the last word for our review is word number 66, alta. This is a verb which means to know or understand. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.